Hey guys, welcome to another question of the day. Today's question is, do I need to heal my diastasis recti before having a tummy tuck? Let's talk about diastasis recti. I know that you've probably heard this from many surgeons on Instagram and out there on social media, but I'm just gonna talk like it's the first time you ever heard the word diastasis recti. Diastasis recti is when the six-pack muscles in the abdomen, which are normally attached in the midline by a piece of tissue, become stretched away from each other. And that can be due to either obesity, where we carry a lot of weight inside the abdomen, which causes a lot of bulging, which stretches those, or we commonly see that in women who've had multiple children, who the babies have actually stretched those muscles, so now that they're not in the midline. So to address your question, you said, do I need to fix that before I have surgery? You can't really fix diastasis recti. Now, there are people I know out there that work with women to do certain exercises to try to strengthen the abdominal wall, but the physical separation where the actual muscles get stretched apart, that is an anatomical thing that you can't just do exercises to pull them back together. So you can't cure your own diastasis recti, but what you might be able to do or to get involved with doing some exercises and things that would prevent you from having to have a tummy tuck, and that would be great. But if you need a tummy tuck and you have diastasis recti, or you desire to have a tummy tuck and you have diastasis recti, that's something that we just fix at the time of surgery. We suture those muscles back together in the midline. It's part of the procedure and it's what we do. So I appreciate you asking that question. Again, you guys ask the question and I will answer it. Have a great day.